shine. Antonio was the eldest child. There were 6 children in the family. His family was poor. His father was sick. His mother worked hard to earn money. She washed clothes.
She washed
He washed clothes for other people, but mother sent Antonio to school. He was in grade 4. Antonio helped mother earn money. He worked after classes. In the afternoon, when he arrived from school, he
usually
usually carried his box and shouted, "Shine, shine." He earned 80 pesos more on school days. On Saturday and Sunday, he learned 3 times as much. Would you like a boy like Antonio for a friend?
Question yun.
Yes. Rich world tells about Antonio's family. Rich, poor, wealthy, poor. What happens to his father? Sick. How many children were in the family? 6. Which word tells about Antonio? Youngest, second, eldest. Who worked hard to earn money? Mother. What did mother do to earn money? Wash clothes for people.
For other
people.
7. In
what grade was Antonio? 4. What did he do to help mother?
He worked
after classes. How about how much did you learn?
He earned
On school
days.
80 pesos.